Hello everyone and welcome to Sharekhan Earnings Strategy Play. Now on 25th of July, we are going to cover two stocks which is Yes Bank. Now Yes Bank is one of the fastest growing private sector banks in our country. For the last 4 quarters, the company has managed to give about 30% top line growth and 35% bottom line growth. The NII, that is net interest income, for the Q1 FY13 is expected at 456 crore, which is about 29% growth. The PAT estimate is close to 269 crores, which is 24% growth Q on Q. Now friends, for the last 8 quarters, Yes Bank has managed to beat the street estimates on all the occasions. Looking at the technical charts on Yes Bank, the stock price is moving towards the gap area, as you can see in the chart, and hence we recommend to sell Yes Bank between rupees 341 and 343, with stops being placed at 349 for probable target of 333 and 329. HCL Tech is likely to surprise the street. Now for the last 7 quarters, the company has been able to beat the street estimates. The top line estimates for the company stands at 5,785 crores, which is 11% Q on Q growth. The PAT estimate stands at 699 crores, which is 16% Q on Q growth. Now friends, this growth is going to be highest amongst all the IT peer companies. Also, looking at dollar terms, the company is likely to announce 2.3% Q on Q growth in dollar revenue at $1,072 million. Now this is going to be led by the IT services business as well as the infra management services. And in the last 8 quarters, HCL Tech has been able to beat the street on all the 8 times. As you can see from the chart here on HCL Tech, it is slowly moving towards the demand zone of 470 and 474. Hence we would recommend to buy HCL Tech between 470 and 74 with stop loss of 461 for probable target of 486 and 491. Just to summarize on the earnings strategy play, banking is not something which is in fancy, hence Yes Bank could be shorted tomorrow pre-result for some sort of downside, and HCL Tech in the technology pack could surprise the markets, and hence one could buy that stock from earnings play.